No matter how your elites came to power, they are the rulers of their society, and their number one priority is to ensure that they remain the elite. This means, that's just the nature of a dominant hierarchy. This means that whenever a structural threat challenges them from below, the nobility will immediately close ranks. If a rising merchant or a revolutionary peasant leader poses a threat to their institutional authority, the court has two choices. They will either strategically co-opt and adopt the challenger into their own class, or they will completely destroy the challenger. They will cooperate to ensure the survival of their caste barrier. By the time your world building reaches a period resembling the European Middle Ages or feudal Japan, this class distinction doesn't need to be explicitly discussed by the characters. The highborn aren't sitting around in dark rooms being taught on a manual on how to systemically suppress the peasantry. They know it instinctively. It is baked into the fabric of how they are raised from childhood. From the day they are born, people bow to them. People rise the moment they step into a room. The entire world treats them like their status is divinely ordained, and what's more, their shit don't stink. And because of that lifelong conditioning, they genuinely believe that their shit don't stink, and neither do that of their class. So, the court is actively engaged in keeping that class barrier intact, and that is always their first priority. But while it's true that they will present a unified front to an outside challenger, the moment you step inside that closed palace gate, that unity vanishes. Within their own ranks, the nobility is a viper's nest of hyper-competitive actors. So how does a sovereign actually maintain control over a court in an environment that competitive, especially when there isn't an immediate external threat to force them to cooperate?